First, let's meet a duck. Who knows how ducks breathe? What are their characteristics? That's right, friends. Ducks are one of the animals that breathe using lungs. They inhale air through their lungs and exhale it again. Ducks also have the ability to filter air so they can breathe well both in the air and underwater. Next, let's get to know the turtle. What makes turtles unique in how they breathe? Turtles also use lungs to breathe. They take in air through their mouth and nose, then pump it into their lungs. Turtles can also hold their breath for a long time, both underwater and on land. Now, let's look at the rabbit. What's special about how rabbits breathe? Rabbits also are animals that breathe using lungs. They have a high breathing rate, and their lungs are very efficient at obtaining oxygen. Rabbits also have the ability to regulate their body temperature by breathing faster or slower. Next, we'll meet the dolphin. How do dolphins breathe underwater? Dolphins are marine mammals that use lungs to breathe. They have blowholes on top of their heads that allow them to breathe when they come to the water's surface. Dolphins can also hold their breath for quite a long time underwater. Following that, we have the chicken. What makes the way chickens breathe different from other animals? Chickens also are animals that use lungs to breathe. They have a unique respiratory system where they use chest muscles to expand their lungs and inhale air. Chickens also have the ability to produce sounds by expelling air from their lungs through their vocal cords. Next, let's explore the sea lion. How do sea lions breathe in water? Sea lions are marine mammals that use lungs to breathe. They have the ability to hold their breath for a long time while swimming underwater. Sea lions also have special adaptations like nostrils that can close when they swim. Lastly, we'll take a look at the alligator. How do alligators breathe in water and on land? Alligators are reptiles that use lungs to breathe. They have nostrils on top of their heads that allow them to breathe while hiding in the water or waiting for their prey. Alligators can also hold their breath for quite a long time, underwater or on land.